So if it is true, then this discussion would not have existed even. So I think it is not at all true. Reality is there. Reality. Suppose my eyes are open now. If I close it, it's dark. That doesn't mean that the room is dark. So it depends on my perspective how I am seeing it. So reality is not at all an illusion, and how a same event can appear different to two people. Why? Because it depends on their mindset, on their emotions. And you asked, let me come direct to the point. You talked about the word Maya. So I think that it is also, you told that there is no English word. Actually, there is no English word, but I can tell it is also an emotion. Like we can be sometimes blind for our emotions. Like that's why it is said that everything is Maya. Suppose I am going to somewhere. My destination is going somewhere, and my destination is my house. Now, and another person, his destination is also same. Now, it can be nearer to that person, and it can be far to me. It doesn't matter that destination is changing. Same way, reality is also the same. And I would like to say that dream, as somebody talked about dream is not an illusion. Dream, when we are dreaming something, it might not happen in our life, or it happened, but we cannot remember. It is not in our conscious mind. Maybe it happened. When it happened, we were not in senses, or we are not in that situation to remember that incident. But actually it happened. We experienced that. That's why we are dreaming that thing.
Okay, here right now. Yeah. So in your dream, you encountered a lion, right? So when you encountered a lion, you saw a lion, right? You dreamt a lion. Now, what's the reality? The lion dream is the reality, or your dream is the reality? Who is the real one? The lion or you?
No, I exist. Obviously, I am dreaming. So
the
have
lion also.
Lion exists in my mind, yes, but lion is not present in form. But it doesn't mean that I haven't experienced that. I have experienced that.
Then it is possible that you are in the dream of the lion. You are in the dream of the lion.
I am killing somebody. If I haven't experienced that, then how to know how to kill somebody? If I am seeing something, I am dreaming, and it's me. It's not somebody else. I am sleeping. That doesn't mean that I do not exist. And I am doing something that doesn't, and that.
Okay, I want to question here. Well, is it possible that you are in the dream of the lion?
Of the lion?
Right.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so. So you talked about Maya, right? So there are two more terms. That is Satya and Asatya. Satya, that is the real, right? Yeah. So for example, the sun is the real, is the reality, right? You can see the sun. There is nothing called Maya there, right? And Asatya, that cannot be true. That cannot happen. Non-existence. Something that can never happen. So for example, a dog has wings. Can't be happening, right? So Maya is all about Brahma, right? The knowledge of Brahma. Maya is neither Asatya nor Satya. So what is beyond Maya? Is it possible to break the doors down of Maya and see beyond the horizon?
As you talk about sun, right?
The sun.
The sun is, in the morning we can see the sun. But as per I have to be true, that is I think that in the morning moon is also present, but we can't see for the ray of the sun. That doesn't mean that moon is Asatya, as you said. So I think nothing can be false like that, as you said. Or Maya is also not an illusion. I don't think there is Asatya in Maya. Maya is something that maybe I can't see that, but I know the truth. That's why I can tell you that there is the moon also. beside the sun, but it is hidden for the ray of the sun. So that doesn't prove that it is asatya, as you said, the word.
Don't you feel that your five senses, the truth, the real record can be different?
Sorry?
The truth can be different beyond your five senses. You have senses, five senses, right? As you can tell. But beyond your senses, five senses, there can be something. There can be a different story. You don't know.
Yes, it might happen.
It might happen. So do you feel that it is real? It is the reality is an illusion then? It might happen.
No, I do not know. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It exists, but everything is not possible to know, right? What is happening around us. You talk about social media, very common topic nowadays. You talk about social media. What is seen on social media? It's obviously an illusion. But if we know the reality, then we would never believe in social media. Social media simply is an illusion, just like our lives. What we see, it's obviously reality. Now how we shape it, that's the illusion.
Alright, thank you, Artika. Thank you.